Welcome to Psycho Dog Zone. Someone is getting picked up, and I think it's Charlie. Come on, get along. Hi, guys. Okay, enough. Hey. Hey. Someone's getting told off. Why are you making so much noise? Thanks, Garth. Have a good one. Enjoy your weekend. Let's hope the weather holds up. Uh-oh. No, you're not coming out. No, you're not. Spumoni, you can come in. Bond. Stop talking. No, we don't need to hear anymore. Sandy's telling him off. All right, that's enough. So that was our momentary lapse of reason. We all go a little psycho when someone shows up, don't we, gang? Yeah? We all have something to say, especially Charlie and Luna and Bon Me. Bon Me being the puppy. He needs to get fixed this summer. Yes, he's a noisy butt. And then Luna, who's 3, a little cavalier. She's got a lot to say. Oh, she's a bossy little girl. And then we got Charlie. He's 2. Hey, Charlie. Charlie, you just really lose it. Oh, is that moving? Is that freaking you out? Is it flopping in the wind? Oh, we can even hear the birds now. How nice. Are you all done? Yeah? We have a sign out front that says Psycho Dog Zone, which is very apt for pickup time. Because, I mean, honestly, who wouldn't be happy to see their parents show up for their babies? Right, Spumoni? You get pretty crazy and you spin in circles when mommy comes.